Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I made with the July box for Jesse James Bead's Magical Mystery Bead Box, Sunflowers, Vincent van Gogh. I used most of the stuff. I didn't use these yet. Of course, undoing this is just kind of heartbreaking. It's so pretty. And I didn't use these yet. These are the things still that I have to use. I think they're so pretty. I'm sorry, I bumped my camera here. But what I did use was, first off, I made, let me get this adorable pair of earrings. I'll put pictures up at the end so you can see it. And I love these little pom-poms. And what I didn't know when I opened it up was there's a pearl inside that had a little hoop. So I call these little cha-cha dangles. They're just so cute. I just put some gold ear wires on them to make them. I thought they were really cute. Then I've been into memory wire bracelets again. So I made this memory wire bracelet. I mixed all the beads together. So I took those two big packages and I just put them all in one big container or one little big dish to mix them up. So I did this, and then I took those little tassels and I put them on the ends. I thought this looked really cute. I loved these beautiful blue beads. They're so pretty. So yeah, I really loved these. I think they're gorgeous, the way they turned out. The sparkles, the Hishi beads. It's a really pretty box. So I made this one. And then this next one, I added a few of my own too. So this next one, so if you look at them together, they are different. This one's got more blue to it. I added some of my shell beads and some of my Hishi shell beads. Say that 3 times fast. And then I added some of my little 11-0s and 8-0 seed beads to make this. So I thought this was really pretty, the way this turned out. And I had this little tassel I added just for a little more sparkle. And I added them on the ends. Let me move these over a little bit so you can see them. Yeah, so I made these little tassels with the seed beads. And that, and I had some crystal bicones. Some of these were from the box and some of these were my own. So I did that, and then I also had this pair of earrings that I made. So it could go with either one of the bracelets. I'll probably put these up as a set. I think I might put them up with this because they look a little more like they would match with that. So that's what I did with these. I was really happy with the way these turned out. I feel like I've been making so many necklaces lately, and when I originally started making jewelry, I started out mostly just doing memory wire bracelets. And I think with fall and stuff coming up, I'm gonna get into some of those. But these little sunflower ones, these would be pretty for fall too. You can wear them with jeans. Maybe jeans and a t-shirt and kind of dress them up a little bit. So I was really happy the way this turned out. I want to take this apart and do something with this and the sunflower and then make some earrings to match it. So I didn't get that far. It's kind of like I get inspired, and then when the inspiration goes away, I stop making jewelry because I feel like it's not as good if I keep working after I'm not inspired anymore. So it's kind of like when you paint or you know, you're as an artist, you have to do it when you're in the mood. So I hope you like these. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these. And I will definitely be bringing some more videos to you. And I will leave the link to Jesse James bead box below. So if you're interested, you could order this. This box. Well, this box is gone, but there's other boxes coming up because it's a monthly bead subscription. So thank you for tuning into my channel. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up below so I know you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I have a video. And my links to Facebook, Etsy, Pinterest, and Instagram are below if you want to follow me on those. You can see my stuff as I'm posting it there as well. So thanks again, and I will see you soon on my next video, and you have a great day.